Hi everybody, this is Jason from Boatshed Plymouth. Today we're on board this Colvic Victor 34 that we have listed here in the Plymouth area. Just going to be doing a short external video of this boat so you can see how she's laid out. Just starting off here at the cockpit. First thing you notice is all this fantastic, beautiful woodwork. All very well maintained as well by the look of it. Spinning around here into the cockpit area. All the sail controls, navigation controls, and obviously she's missing her wheel at the minute. So it's a lovely deep cockpit. Feels a very safe place to be when you're at sea. Looking at the sail bag there. The coach roof, which is very prominent. Just going to step out now onto the side decks. As you can see, she benefits from these lovely big windows too, letting all that lovely light flood through. That's her foredeck. Again, you can see the wood is under some maintenance at the moment. So lovely big side decks. Just moving towards the bow. And the windlass. All looking rather nice. Just spinning around now. We've got a forward hatch. And that nice prominent coach roof again. Scanning up both masts. And then back down. So we'll just work our way slowly aft again. Should you have any questions regarding this vessel, please don't hesitate to contact me, jason@boatshedplymouth.com, or of course you can see her full listing on our website at boatshedplymouth.com. Thanks for watching.